Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. My name is Susanne and today I want to unbox this stationery box from Café Analog together with you. Café Analog is a webshop based in the Netherlands, but they ship internationally and they bring out these boxes 5 times a year, and what I like most about it is that it's always a surprise what's inside. They bring out these boxes 5 times a year and unfortunately this one is already sold out, but the boxes for next year are already available in the webshop of Café Analog and you can find it in the link below this video. Directly a link to the boxes and all the information about the boxes. For now, let's just unpack this one. I'm really curious what's inside, so I will turn my camera and open this together with you. Enjoy watching! So let's open the box together and see what's inside. I see immediately a sticker from Elsie with love. I'm really curious what's inside. And I see this card. It's for the year of the rabbit, like the Chinese New Year. Last year they had a tiger. It was this one. I think it's super cute. I love this one also. Really lovely. And the stationery boxes always start with a letter, and in the letter is always written what's inside the box with a little explanation about each product and why Desiree, the maker of the box, decided to choose those products. And it is saying, "Hello my dear stationery friends. Can you believe it's almost holiday season again? I just can't. This year flew by. Makes you stop and think what all happened along the way. I hope you are following our December challenge, be it passively or actively." Yeah, the December challenge I am also following. I think it's really fun. If you're not doing it yet, you can just join in whenever you want. So yeah, check it out on Instagram if you like to. Well, let's check the first one together. It is saying, to start with, we wanted to surprise you with some very special handmade paper gems from our dear friend Sora Assan on Insta @SoraAssan. This handmade paper box and little folder in wintry blues is filled with handmade papers, bits and bobs that were all especially designed by her for us. She started out by hand carving 3 eraser stamps, stamped all kinds of handmade and dyed papers, and then had them printed. We are in awe and feel so honored that she did this for us. Please cherish and use them in your spreads and creations, and don't forget to tag us both on Instagram. I'm really curious to this one. I think it is these two, because these are wintry blues. Oh, it's really nicely packed. As you can see. So cute with this little rope and these things. I always have a sweet spot for these kind of packages. If it's so nicely packed, it really feels like a little present. Winter. Almost down there to open it always. Well, let's open it carefully. I also always like about these things to keep these kind of papers and put them in my journal. So it also reminds me of, yeah, these things, for example. I never throw these away. And this is the box. I'm really curious what's inside. Okay, how we open it? Like this, I think. Really nice, saying like winter. Ooh, this is so cute. Look. Oh, also, for the ones who follow me on Instagram, you maybe notice I really love blues. So this is really my color also. Oh, this is extremely cute. Look how cute. Like this winter one also. It's also like with texture inside. Oh, look. Like this. I think you can never have enough papers. It's always so nice to use and to make layers in your journal. Oh, these ones are also cute. Little stickers. Wow, there are also quite a few papers. And such beautiful colors. Oh, I really, really love them. You also see that she stamped it herself. But this one also. I wouldn't mind to have a stamp like this actually. I think it's really nice. Maybe she sells. You can check it out on Instagram. This one is also really interesting. Look, you can layer it like this. Little transferred paper. Really, really nice. I'm really super happy with this one. Also so cute, it's such a little box. So, Sora Asan. Really, really beautiful. And this one also with Café Analog printed on it. Let's check this one out. Also so carefully packed. That's what I also always like about the designers which Café Analog sells. They pack everything so carefully. I think it's so nice. Here are more of the papers. I think this is really nice with that relief inside. It's kind of similar in the other one, but these ones are larger. These are nice actually, like the date stamps, and this one really lovely, like Café Analog and Sora Asan. Lovely. I really, really love these. Let's go check the next one. And it's saying no December box with a good hint of Christmas. We picked a special edition washi tape from BGM Japan to adorn your packages and spice up your holiday wishes. I bet children will like it too. With such a smiley behind. Oh yeah, I understand. It's with such cute train. Oh, really cute. I will open it for you. When I open washi, I always keep this sticker. I think it's also nice to use that round sticker in your journal. So I most of the time open it from the side. Carefully, of course, so you don't stab your washi tape. Let's see where the beginning is. Here. Oh, it's so cute. Look how adorable. Oh, this is too cute. You can make like a super long train from it. Oh, and here it starts again. This is it. Really, really lovely. I guess children will like it too. This one I also really, really like. Then the next one. Hold your turkey recipes together. Get your gift list quick. With these Dalton galvanized clips, you will never keep searching for the right chapter. They come in handy with all kinds of creativeness. I saw them already and I think they're really, really nice. Look how adorable. So nice to keep your journal open. And also that nice Christmas colors. Really lovely. Also really happy with these. Super cute. Then let's go check out the next one. And it's saying this Shinippon day by day moon calendar will not let you miss a day without looking at the moon. We love to use these pages in our journal too. Great for layering. That's this one. It's really nice. I also had this one last year. I will also open this one. And yeah, you see the phases of the moon. I think it's really nice. And some pages it also has some extras, I remember from last year. I don't know what it means. Everything's in Japanese, which is also the nice thing from it, I think. But like some have like these little drawings on it, which I think is really nice. Oh, yeah, here also. Ooh. Like a little dragonfly. Ah, cute. Also this wind chime. I don't know, I think it's special days, but yeah, you can't read it of course, because it's in Japanese. But you have translator apps where you can take a photo and then it translates the text for you. So if you're curious and you have this calendar, that's a tip. You have apps where you can take a photo. It's called Photo Translator, I think. So then you take a photo with these Japanese signs and then it translates it for you. Nice. Always good to have a calendar. And you can hang it, but you can also put it like this on your desk. Then we go to the next item. A traditional part of our yearly December books is the Kodomo no Kao rubber stamp with the Chinese astrology animal belonging to the new year. 2023 is the rabbit. It stands for mercy, elegance and beauty. People who are born in the year of the rabbit are calm and peaceful. The rabbit is known to be the luckiest out of all 12 animals. Wow, so if you're a rabbit, you must be lucky. I'm a pig as a sign. So no rabbit. This is the stamp. I think it's really cute. I really love the design also. Super nice. I'll put all the items back again so you can see an overview of what was inside the box. The nice calendar. The rabbit stamp, the cute washi, the clips, and of course this gorgeous paper. I'm really super happy with this one. And of course that cute card. Also adorable, this card. So this is what the stationery box contains for December. If you missed out on this box, some of the items are also getting for sale at the webshop of Café Analog. So if you see something and you really like it, yeah, make sure to check out their website and maybe you still find it and can purchase it for yourself and enjoy it, of course. I'm again super happy with what is inside and yeah, I really like just the stationery box. I think it's every time a super nice surprise and yeah, I will definitely continue with these boxes next year. I hope that you like what was inside this box, and again, if you're curious, check out the link below this video. There I link directly to the stationery box page of Café Analog, and then you can read all the details about purchasing, the prices and everything. I want to thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. I would highly appreciate it. And thank you again, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!